afternoon, dear children. This class is for class 4th A, class 4th A and B. Class 4th A and B. Other day I explained to you that what is that called? Adjectives. Adjectives comparison. I already explained to you. Adjectives are used to describe the quality of the noun, I said. But sometimes we need to describe that quality in comparison with what the same quality in another object. Now, these all I explained to you. Now, coming to the page number 69 as well as 70. See, there are what is that called? Positive, comparative, and superlative. So this you should read like page number 70. Far, further, farthest. Fast, faster, fastest. Fine, finer, finest. Gentle, gentler, gentlest. Great, greater, greatest. High, higher, highest. Hard, harder, hardest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Large, larger, largest. Long, longer, longest. Near, nearer, nearest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Old, older, oldest. Old, elder, eldest. Pure, purer, purest. Rich, richer, richest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Short, shorter, shortest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Slow, slower, slowest. Soft, softer, softest. Thick, thicker, thickest. Weak, weaker, weakest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Young, younger, youngest. So this is the way. Why I read this, some children don't know to read those words. So I read, so you also go through like this only, positive, comparative and superlative. So it is easy for you. That's why I am reading this. Because some of the children, they read wrong. This is the way you have to read positive, comparative and superlative. Now, second one, if the adjectives of the positive degree end in Y and Y has a consonant before it, the Y is changed into I. Before adding ER and EST. But if the Y has a vowel before it, then Y is not changed into I. Positive, comparative, superlative. Now, busy, busier, busiest. Dry, drier, driest. Here, IST. Adding, dropping the Y and either IST or EST. Understood? Now, just see. First one, positive, busier. Second one, busier. Comparative, it is. Superlative is busiest. So, in the second one, you are adding IER. Understood? You are adding IER. Now, that is in comparative. But it coming to the superlative, EST. Understood? So, this is the way. Now, busy, first positive. Now, busier. Then, superlative, busiest. So, highest degree it is. Understood? So, that way, I am reading it. Just look at the book, page number 70. Dry, drier, driest. Easy, easier, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Healthy, healthier, healthiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. lucky, luckier, luckiest, lazy, lazier, laziest, lovely, lovelier, loveliest, marry, marrier, merriest, pretty, prettier, prettiest, ugly, uglier, ugliest, wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. So this is the way. Now I say she is a wealthy person. Then someone comes and says she is a wealthier. Then another one, wealthiest person, isn't it? Now Hilda ma'am is wealthy. And another one will say, no, she is wealthier, wealthy, then wealthier she is. Then somebody will come and say, she is wealthiest. So like that we are having comparative and superlative degree. Understood? Now coming, when the adjectives of the positive degree is a word of one syllable and a single consonant at the end, the last consonant doubles before adding er and est. Now positive is big, comparative is bigger, and superlative is biggest. Fat, positive, comparative fatter, then superlative is fattest. Hot, comparative hotter, superlative hottest. Sad, positive, sadder, comparative, saddest, superlative. Thin, positive, thinner, comparative, thinnest, superlative. Wet, positive, wetter, comparative, superlative, wettest. Okay. Positive, comparative and superlative. Now active, more active. Superlative, most active. It will come in superlative, most active. Now in positive, beautiful, then comparative when it comes, more beautiful and most beautiful. In superlative, most beautiful. Coming to the positive, courageous, then coming to the comparative, more courageous. Then superlative, most courageous. Coming to the positive, difficult, comparative, more difficult, and superlative, most difficult. Dangerous, positive, then coming to the comparative, more dangerous, most dangerous. Now the sentence is like this. She is a dangerous person. Then somebody else will say she is a more dangerous than another person. Okay, now she is the most dangerous person, most. That is giving a higher degree. That is the way positive, comparative and superlative. Now here coming to the fifth exercise, page number 72. Some adjectives that do not allow any rules with the forming their comparative and superlative. So we have to keep in mind their comparative and superlative. Now bad is positive, comparative worse, superlative worst. Now I say in my class there is a child called Rahul. He is very bad. I'll say. Then another teacher will say, what is that? He is a worse person. Now another one will say, he is a worst. So highest degree. Understood? This is the way we have degrees of positive, comparative and superlative. This is the way we have that degrees. Understood? So children, go through this nicely and you read it as I read for you just now. You try to read it that. Okay. This is what I want to tell you. Here I am ending. This is a small YouTube. Now coming to the next thing I want to tell you is so many children don't want to read. Please read the lessons. Please request. I am requesting you, read the lesson. As many children I am making 5th standard to read, they are failing to read. That means which I am not teaching. That may be for you, na? So if I am teaching you, that you have to read. Okay. Now here ends your this video. Next, tomorrow I will proceed it. Okay? Then have a nice day. Thank you and God bless you.